BD Technical Master presents Top 5 Best Travel Makeup Brushes Reviews. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Ecotools 10 pieces Makeup Brush Set for with highly portable carrying case, vegan 10 pieces Rose Gold, synthetic lightweight fibers, concealer brush, eyebrow brush, highlighting brush, and much more. Find the product link on the video description. Number 2. Ecotools Brush Set on the Go, 4-count, Travel Styling Kit, a carrying pouch, 3 makeup inspo cards, 4 vegan makeup brushes, made of recycled aluminum, 20% cotton and 80% bamboo fibers. Find the product link on the video description. Number 3. Meadow Makeup Brushes 9-piece Makeup Brush Set, Foundation Brush with Travel Makeup Bag, Ultra Soft Brush, No Chemical Smell, Natural Bamboo Handles, Synthetic Makeup Brush Bristles, 100% cruelty-free, Silky Feel, No Shed. Find the product link on the video description. Number 4. Shanny I Love Bamboo, 7-piece Petite Pro Bamboo Brush Set with carrying case, designed in USA, real bamboo handle, 2-toned pro microfiber, brush instruction included, vegan, biodegradable pouch. Find the product link on the video description. Number 5. Taupe Makeup Brushes, Premium Synthetic Makeup Brush Set Kit with Case Bag, 14 pieces, 9 pieces Precise Brushes, 5 pieces Multi-Purpose, High Standard Handle, Dense and Velvety Synthetic Fibers. Find the product link on the video description.